Instead of having Safari as your default web browser on iPhone, learn how to choose Chrome over Safari for default browser. First, you need to install Chrome web browser on your iPhone as a mobile app. Okay, what you need to do to get that done is to get to the App Store, search for Chrome, and install it. All right, so once the installation is completed, we're going to take on this second step. All right, so the second step is tap on settings. On tapping on settings, scroll down until you get to the apps section. Tap on apps. This displays all the apps you have on your iPhone. Tap on Chrome. On tapping on Chrome, you'll be taken to this page. You can see default browser app. Tap there and tap on Chrome instead of Safari. Alright, Safari is made default browser, but here we have changed it to Chrome. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Ask question if you have any. See you some other time.